Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing so well. Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm starting a new vlog today. It's actually the next day of the last vlog that I did. Did I vlog on Saturday? Okay, no, I didn't vlog on Saturday actually. I think the last day that I vlogged was on Friday. So today is a Sunday the 4th. Yeah, it's the 4th of December today. I just came back from my grandmother's house in Soweto. I was there from yesterday morning, so I slept there and then I'm back today. So yeah, I'm back today, and yeah, so I just thought let me just start another vlog. I actually tried to upload the vlog that I would have already uploaded when this one goes up, the vlog before this one. I would have uploaded that one, or actually wanted to upload that one yesterday, which was a Saturday, because I edited the vlog on Friday evening. But the Wi-Fi at my grandmother's house, it is so slow. Like I don't know, I honestly don't know. It is so slow. I literally tried to upload a video for the whole day. It did not want to upload. I think it was at 36% at the time where I gave up. I started uploading at 2 in the afternoon on Saturday, throughout the night, and the next morning, which was a Sunday morning, when I checked, it was at 36%. So that did not make any sense to me, because when you upload a video on YouTube, it's going to upload the video on standard quality first, and then depending on the quality of the video, it's gonna keep going up and uploading standard quality, high definition, and then 4K if your video is in 4K, which takes a bit of time usually. Yes, agreed, but not the whole day and the whole night, and still the video is at 36%. So yeah, anyway, I just gave up at some point and I thought I'll upload when I get home. So now I'm actually busy uploading. Let me see. Yeah, so I just started uploading now this video, so hopefully it's gonna go up either tonight, because it's around 4:30 now. So I actually don't know when is the best time to upload a video on YouTube. I don't know, in terms of the people that are subscribed to my channel, when they actually, you know, watch YouTube. I love watching YouTube on Sundays, especially during the day, from like 12 during the day. But I don't know, that's the time that I actually wanted to upload the video. But because I couldn't, I'm only uploading it now. So I'm not sure if I should publish the video tonight or tomorrow morning. Maybe tomorrow morning. I don't know. Let me think about it. For now, let me just upload the video. I am so tired. Honestly, I am so tired. So last night, at my grandmother's place, right? At one of this houses, back opposite, yeah, back opposite, not front opposite, they had a party, right? So during the day, the music was on, it was very loud, which is something that's normal in Soweto, whatever. I didn't really care much about that. But my problem was at night. How do you, like, literally in the bedroom, the window was vibrating the whole night. So I literally did not sleep. The window was vibrating the whole night. They were literally grooving the entire night, and they only stopped the music at around 4 a.m. and I think that's the time that they actually had load shedding. So basically I was saved by load shedding, and I slept at like 5 a.m. I slept at 5. Ganjani, guys, how? And my grandmother's friend who actually came to visit her said, no, they actually had a petition. So some of the people in that street actually signed a petition, or their petition, for them to actually host the party and have the party. But I'm just thinking, okay, fine, but the whole day, the whole night, literally, because I'm sure it was going to be a 6 to 6 situation if load shedding did not actually disturb their plans. Yo, I shame. So I am so tired. I am exhausted. I was meant to work this weekend, not necessarily like work, but sort of be on standby if I was needed at any point. So I was also on the lookout for that, but it didn't happen, so I didn't have to work. I didn't have to do anything. So yeah, I'm back home now, and I'm thinking maybe I should just cook. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe I should just cook today. Oh gosh, did I leave my ring at my grandmother's house? I'm not sure. Ah, okay, here, it's in my bag. Okay, I thought I left it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna cook now, and then I'm just gonna rest. I actually also wanted to bake. I haven't baked in a long time, like just normal scones, right? I haven't baked in the longest time ever. In the longest time ever. And I think, you know, one of the things, and it's not something that I've actually even mentioned on the channel before. So my mom passed last year, right? Last year, July. And from that time, or from that moment, from that time when my grief actually started, I lost interest in cooking. You know, I lost interest in cooking. Cooking is one of the things that I've enjoyed doing, you know, but over the last year, I've just like taken a deep dive when it comes to cooking. I do have moments where I feel like, okay, let me cook, and I put my best foot forward and I cook. But I think because she's the main person that actually taught me how to cook, and she loved cooking so much and she loved to bake so much, it's just one of the things that I took from her. And so when she passed, I sort of, yeah, fell out of the wagon, the cooking wagon, the baking wagon. Cooking, I try to do, but baking, yeah, it's something that I haven't done in the longest time. And I know that my husband loves scones, so maybe let me surprise him. He actually went to a wedding in Limpopo over the weekend, so he's coming back tomorrow. So I'm thinking maybe let me just cook anyway so that I don't have to cook tomorrow and bake those scones, hopefully. I'm exhausted, but I'll see. Let me see how far I get. I actually went to Pick n Pay, although I didn't take you guys with me. I didn't actually have my camera with me anyway. And I've already packed up the stuff. It's really nothing exciting. But I thought maybe I should do a potato salad and a chakalaka, which is always my default salads if I want to go an extra mile and make that effort of making a salad. I don't know if I actually want to. Maybe I should. Maybe. You know what? Let's see how far I get with my energy, and then we'll take it from there. And I don't have I think the last time I cooked in this channel was quite a while ago actually. So maybe let me see how far we get. But for now, let me just cook my rice and my meat, and then I'll decide if I actually want to go ahead and do the potato salad and the chakalaka, because I obviously want to bake as well. So let me see, because ngikatele. So I'm trying to basically energize with my fave. I actually love, oh my gosh, I love Red Bull. I love the watermelon flavor and the coconut flavor. I didn't find the coconut flavor actually at Pick n Pay. Didn't find the coconut flavor. I found just this one, the watermelon. I bought the watermelon and just the original flavor. Yeah, and remember the last time in the last vlog when I mentioned that I actually wanted the smaller version of the Red Bull. This is the one that I was talking about. This is the 250 mils. Actually, how many mils is the other one? Let me check. Oh, okay. So this one is 355 mils. This one. So I don't usually buy this big one because I just think it's just too much. I prefer buying the smaller ones. These ones, the 250 mils. So yeah, these are the ones that I like. I absolutely love this. And I broke my nail just before I left yesterday. My appointment at Sobe, I do my nails at Sobe. I know a lot of people, I don't know, a lot of influencers don't like Sobe. They don't really do their nails there. That's where I do my nails. Before we moved, I used to do my nails still at Sobe, at another Sobe in the West End. The lady that used to do my nails, her name is Dineo. I loved how she did my nails. They used to last very long. I never really had a problem with them or anything like that. So yeah, I just don't have a problem with Sobe because of that. And then now that we've moved, I went, this is actually the first set where I've done my nails at the new Sobe. So there's a lady that I found there, and this was actually a fill, but then this one broke. I don't know why it broke. I hardly have nails that just break out of nowhere. So I kept the little piece because my next appointment is when is my next appointment? On the 9th of December. Yeah, so I don't want to go there just to fix one nail and then only for me to go back the next week. But also I don't like my nails looking like this, especially because this week I'm going to the office on Tuesday and Wednesday, so I do like to look presentable, and I'm gonna be self-conscious if I have this kind of situation. So I've kept the piece. Luckily I'm gonna piece it together with the super glue. The ghetto. Let me see, does it even fit in this space now? Yo, I don't know how it will look, hey, but ngifuna ukuyihlanganisa nge-super glue, guys. Angeke yo ngamane libukeke ngathi likhrekhile than ukuthi lingabi khona at all. So yeah, I'll do that after this, or later after I'm done cooking, actually, when I know that I'm relaxed, I'm not touching water or anything like that. Is super glue yet dura? Like, I don't get it. I haven't bought a super glue in a long time, and I bought this when I was at Pick n Pay just so I can DIY my nail. But like, how is this 60 rand? I understand. And there was no other brand, because I was just like, okay, let me compare. And Njani, this is like 3 grams. 3 grams for 60 rand. It was 59.99. Oh, I was so confused. I mean, I thought the super glue is like 5 rand or something like that, or 10 rand. How did it get to 60 rand? I don't understand. So it better work. It better keep my nail like secured. So yeah, anyway, let me stop blabbing and waste the little energy that I have. I'm actually hungry now. I did eat. My grandmother is like literally the best cook ever. She cooks the best food, but I didn't want to take some as well. I'm just gonna have whatever. I don't like eating the same thing over and over again. Like, I'm the type of person who literally doesn't even like leftovers. Angwathanda leftover. I don't. I do not. So I already ate the food, even though it was good. Granted, the food was amazing as usual. But I can, like right now, for example. So that's what I'm gonna have now. And then obviously I'm gonna cook. I might not even eat that food. So my husband, when he's here tomorrow, that I don't have to bother cooking kusasa. So yeah, anyway, let me cook. Hey there, it's much later in the day now. It's around 8:30. Yeah, it's around 8:30, and I've since had my meat in the pressure cooker for about 2 hours. So I think it's definitely ready. But what I usually do is that I take it out of the pressure cooker. I put it in the pot just, for it to simmer for about 5 minutes and let all the flavors come together. And then that's it. So the pressure cooker basically does all the work for me. I absolutely love it. I am a stern believer of the pressure cooker. I use it so much, like so much. I use the pressure cooker a lot. The pressure cooker and the air fryer, those are the two things that I really swear by and that I use quite a lot. And I remember the other time a friend of mine was asking me which gift is actually, what gift can she get, I think her other friend, between an air fryer and a pressure cooker. And I was conflicted between the two, to be honest. I was really conflicted because I personally use both of them, a lot. I actually don't know which one I use the most, but I think it's actually for me personally, it's the air fryer, just because I love eating bacon and I use the air fryer mostly for bacon. Yes, for other things as well, but mostly for bacon. Just because I don't like bacon oil spilling all over my stove, my countertops and all of that. So I prefer just doing it in the air fryer and all the oil is in there and I don't have to worry about it. So I think it depends on your lifestyle, what it is that you would be using those items for. But for me, it's definitely the air fryer. But I do use the pressure cooker a lot, especially if you are, a person that likes cooking stew, because I use the pressure cooker a lot for stews because I just find that it's quick, it's really quick. I don't have to also be checking out the meat all the time and all of that when it's on the stovetop. Okay, anyway, so I was not the wife of the year as I thought. Clearly, right? Because at the start of the vlog, I said I'm going to do a potato salad, I'm going to do chakalaka, I'm going to bake goopy. Oh, Kasiami. Okay, that never happened, okay? I was just too exhausted, to be honest. I've been sitting on the couch and just watching vlogs literally the whole time. So all I did was just the rice and the meat. Now I'm just gonna transfer the meat into the pot and yeah. Maybe tomorrow I'll bake. Maybe I'll see if I also have time to do the salads tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be well rested and I'll be able to do those. But tomorrow is obviously a weekday, it's a Monday. I am working from home. I'll see how it goes. I actually tried to register my Nespresso machine the day that I got it so that I can get the voucher, but I basically didn't get anything. I didn't get an email, I didn't get nothing. I did register the machine, but yeah, nothing happened. So I'm thinking that maybe I should go to Nespresso, to the actual shop, the Nespresso shop, and then have them do it for me. I'll just bring along my slip and that little card and the machine serial number. Yeah, and the machine serial number. And then I think it will be easier if they do it for me. I'll try doing it one more time. And if it still doesn't work, then I'll just go in store and do it. Hopefully tomorrow after work, because the mall is not too far from me. So yeah, hopefully I can do that and then see how far I get. In the last vlog, I tried to show you the curtains, right? And I think it was during the day. And I don't think you guys saw the curtains quite properly. But, come on, these are the curtains, guys. I mean, they look stunning. We are quite far where I've placed the camera, but you can literally see how stunning they are. I think I have footage of me closing the curtains, so you might have seen them actually. I absolutely love them. I really love the curtains. I think they were not showing properly in the previous vlog just because it was during the day and the lighting was just doing funny stuff, but yeah. Anyway, for now, let me just finalize the meat and then head to bed because yeah, I am tired. As I told you, I didn't sleep quite well yesterday and it is a work day tomorrow, so I want to get in as enough sleep as I possibly can. Yeah, let's do this. So it's all cooked basically. It's very soft, it's very tender. All I need to do is just transfer this and then we are good to go. So this is obviously very hot, so you have to be careful, but that's what it looks like. Just gonna transfer it. Okay, some final touches. Crushed garlic. Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing so well. Welcome to another vlog. Did I say anything today? I'm trying to remember if I actually introduced this vlog. Did I? I don't think I did, because in the morning I baked. I think I showed you guys when I was baking and when I was making the potato salad, but I don't remember actually putting the camera down and introducing the vlog. So hello, welcome to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing so well, and thank you so much for the love that you showed me in my previous vlog. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, and if you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do if you like the content. And yeah, let's just keep it moving. Let's see how this vlogging thing goes. Okay, so today is actually a Monday. Yeah, I think I showed you in the morning when I made the potato salad and I baked some scones, which is what I was supposed to do yesterday. But I did not. I did not. I was just too tired and I thought it's fine, I'll just do it today. So yeah, I did that today, and then after work at around 4:30, I quickly went to the mall to grab a few things that I needed. So in the morning, right, when I was making coffee, I actually didn't even capture that, which I should have. When I was making coffee, I don't know what was happening, because I felt like the amount of coffee that I was getting from the capsule was way too little. It was like a shot basically, right? So in my other Nespresso machine, the Essenza, you have two buttons there, right? The one button is for the Nespresso shot, and then the other one is for the lungo, so the normal like Nespresso cup, so you get a full-sized coffee, right? And then on this one, on the Vecchio, you only have one button, which looks like the bigger cup. So I actually wondered what happens if I want a shot, only to find that the capsules themselves are not the same size. So some of the capsules are much smaller, which will give you a shot, and some of the capsules are much bigger, which will give you a normal sized coffee. All right, so yeah, basically that's the story, and that's what I got or gathered today when I spoke to that lady at Nespresso. I couldn't exactly vlog when I was at the mall, sorry guys. The security guys are just crazy at Foy's Mall. Wait, let me close the bathroom door. I feel like it's making an echo. Okay. I felt like the bathroom door is, or the bathroom itself is just creating an echo. So yeah, I didn't actually know that, because when I bought the coffee, I actually said to the lady, listen, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what is going on, but the amount of coffee that I'm getting when I put the capsule on is just way too small. And then that's when she explained and she showed me the different sizes of the coffee. So, which brings me to me buying two sleeves of coffee. And then I actually asked her, how much coffee will I get with this one? Because I don't want the smaller sized ones, right? And then she says, no, I'm gonna get is it a 250 ml? I think she said, but she said it's the normal cup, the normal Nespresso cup. So I got two of these. I'm still waiting. I've registered for my machine. I'm still waiting for an email to actually give me the voucher, because when you register an espresso machine, you actually get a voucher. So I'm still waiting for that. They said on the email it takes up to 72 hours. So I'll see when that happens. But in the meantime, I bought myself these, okay? And I could actually even tell, right, from the packaging itself, it's thick. Like the box itself is thick, which tells me that this one is bigger. And she actually showed me in real life the size of this one, which is much bigger, and then she showed me the smaller ones, and I don't want the smaller ones because I just feel like it's wasteful. I hardly drink an espresso shot, unless if I'm really exhausted and I really want a pick-me-up, but it's very rare, so I prefer buying the normal sized coffee. So I got myself the vanilla custard pie. This is the one. I think I actually have one of these in the pack that I got with the machine. So I love vanilla, even in the other smaller capsules for the other Nespresso machines. I love the vanilla one, but I don't think that one was a vanilla custard pie. I think it was just a plain vanilla. But then when I saw this, I was like, oh, okay, this sounds nice. Oh, and it even tells you here at the back how many meals you get of that coffee, of one capsule. Okay, good focusing, not. Okay, here we go. All right, I think it focused and then it went out of focus. So it does say 230 mils, which is important. So if you do own an Essenza, I mean not an Essenza, a Vecchio, or if you're thinking of buying it, please note, okay? Because I feel like I've watched so many people with the Vecchio and none of them have ever mentioned that they have different capsules. So now that I think about it, the fact that it has one button on it, it's because the coffee itself is the one with the size, and not necessarily, you don't have to necessarily choose from the coffee machine the size. Basically, it's just one button, hence, right? And then this one is also a 230 mils that you will get from one capsule, and this one is the caramel cookie. I've had caramel before as well in the other Nespresso machine. However, it was not a caramel cookie, it was just a caramel flavor. And now these ones, I think they are just on the Vecchio, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm so excited to try these. I absolutely love flavored coffee. Love, love, love. So yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I went to Lovisa. And then at Lovisa, you know, Lovisa always has like a special of some sort, and I got earrings, 5 earrings. Let me show you. Is it 5? No, I think it's 4. So it was 4 for 200 rand. Yeah, it was the 4 for 200 rand special. Let me show this rain. It's literally pouring. Okay, let me show you. So this is the first 2. So these are basically those small hoops. There are these ones that I actually wanted, that I've seen a lot on a lot of people, but they were not in store. I think they're sold out or something like that. So, but otherwise, these are the ones that I bought. I do have a couple of earrings from Lovisa, but yeah, you know, the gold is not really obviously real gold. So over time, it fades and all of that. So yeah. But otherwise, I'm happy to try these out. Plus, I can wear these at work, so it works out even better. And then lastly, I just went to MAC. Why am I orange? Is it the... I feel like I'm orange. Let me try. Okay. Yes, that's much better. Yes. Okay, so I changed the settings. I usually alternate between auto and AV settings, between those 2. I think I was on AV in the previous clip. Yeah, because AV like makes me orange. Literally, it makes me orange, especially when I'm in the bedroom. Actually, when I'm downstairs, I'm fine. Like AV is perfect, but when I'm here, it just goes at the other way. And I think I saw this when I was editing the previous video, when I was showing you guys my date night outfit, or the dress. Why am I even calling it an outfit? The dress. I noticed that I actually looked orange, and I think it's because I was on AV. So yeah, I think I'm still trying to figure out the lighting in this house in terms of what works better and what doesn't. But anyway, let me not blab. The last one, I went to MAC, and yeah, this just quick and easy. I just bought a Fix Plus, the original Fix Plus. Yeah, mine is actually finished, so I got this. Let me just make sure that it's the one. Yeah, it's the original. I usually buy the original. Yeah, but otherwise that's it. That's all that I have from my errand run from the mall. Tomorrow I am going to the office. Hated clothes, but yeah, I have to go. I haven't been to the office in 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, I think it has been 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, tomorrow I'm going. I need to remember to set my alarm so that, yeah, I'll remember to wake up in the morning. So yeah, I guess we'll see each other. I'm not sure. Usually when I go to work, I don't necessarily vlog because I'm not quite sure what to vlog. It's just me going to the office, really. There's nothing to it. I'll see in the morning because I do wake up quite early. I usually leave the house. In the previous house, I would leave the house at 6 and get to work at 7. I prefer starting work early because one, I avoid traffic and I get to leave early as well. So which works out for me. So I'm gonna try that here as well. I'm gonna leave at 6, which means that I have to wake up at 5. Get ready, obviously do my makeup and stuff. So I'll see. Hopefully I will, if the lighting, I'm not sure about the lighting situation at 5 a.m. in the bathroom. I'll see if I'm able to capture the moment or to capture myself doing my makeup, then I'll do that if the lighting is good. Or I'll connect one of my lights and see how it actually performs. But you know, in the morning it's quite rush, so you don't really have time to do a lot of things, but it's fine. I'll try and see if it works, and if it does, great. And then yeah, we'll head to work, and then I guess I'll see you guys sometime during the week because there's really nothing to show you if I'm at the office. So yeah, but anyway, let me stop blabbing and go make myself something to eat. I'm basically just gonna eat what I made yesterday and the potato salad that I made today. Get ready ukuba housewife mina. Okay, let me show you what I wore actually. Put the camera here at the mall. So this is what I wore. It's just these cargo pants. I think you guys know them. Just these cargo pants and this top. Breasts are breasting, but anyway, yeah, that's basically what I wore at the mall. And yeah, anyway, that's it. Okay, the sun is like, yeah, it's in my face. But anyway, see you guys later.